Okay, today I'll be putting this item together. It's a stool. I thought it didn't come with instructions, but it does. I actually found the instructions behind the seat. It's the white seat. I found it back here. So I pulled everything out. I'm sitting on the floor actually. Let me see if I have all the items. Okay, I have the cushion, which is right here. The gas lift, which is right there. 5 feet, which is right there. Pieces are right there. And then the adjustment handle. That's that one. 5 wheels. They're right there. The wrench is right there. And then screws 4, they're right there. Connecting ring, which is right there. And then it says foam. I almost threw it. I thought it was just there, but that's that little foam. That's odd. I've put another stool together and I've never seen the foam. So let me get started. Okay, so I have to get this item, which is the gas lift. It has this plastic right here, so I have to remove that. Okay, so that's how it looks now. It says to grab the iron ring. Well, not to grab it, but you're gonna grab it and you're gonna remove this top. Just twisted it off. See how it looks? Now I'm gonna put the legs. Okay. I put a three pieces of legs on. That's why you need the foam for support. But if you see, you just slide it in here, and that's how it'll look. Trying to give you a better angle. Let me see if I can do it with. It's hard for me to do it with one hand. I'm not sure if you can see. But you just slide it in. And there's like a little edge right there. Let me show you. So that's when you know when it's in that edge. Under the edge, you know it's already in place. You tired, Max? Okay, it's very easy. You just slide it in and just make sure that's under that lip, and you're good. Now let's go to the next step. Now it wants us to put the ring on. Yeah, I just twisted it on. And make sure it's on. Okay, the ring has those little things on the edge. See that? You press down and twist. I twist to the right. I did a firm twist. Now it's saying to put on the wheels. So I'm gonna put the 5 wheels on. I think I'm just gonna flip it over. Okay, I'm gonna press it in. It's hard to do with one hand. Give me just a moment. Okay, I thought I needed a hammer, but I really don't. You just slide it in and force it down, and it'll go down. It's just I have to do it with both hands. I'm not strong like that. So what I did, I just held it and I pressed it down, and it was much easier that way. I didn't have to use too much force. You just hold it like that and press it and put it in the hole and press it down. Okay, the next step is I'm gonna put this to the side, and now we're gonna work on this step number 5. I'm gonna get the stool and the adjustment handle and the screw and the wrench. Okay, so on the back of the bottom of the stool, it has 4 holes. I'm going to align this handle with it, and I'm gonna put the screws in there. Okay, I already twisted the screws to the right. And I'm gonna use the wrench to fully tighten it a little more. Just make sure this is sticking up. Okay. The next step is step 6. What is that called? That gas lift. I'm going to put it on in here. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the gas lift and put it in this thing that's called the connection ring. So I just slide it in, press it in, and the next step is to just slide in the cushion stool. Okay, so let's do that. Okay. I don't know if you can see it because it's so dark. And just slide it in, press it in, and that's it. Let's see what else it is. It's a universal stool, holds up to 300 pounds, water and oil proof, assembles in 5 minutes. So that's good. If I wouldn't be doing the video, it would be 5 minutes. It's pretty fast. And it moves smooth. I like that. And it turns. 300 pounds? Wow. It's nice.